Hello viewers, many people have missed the chance of buying Samsung Galaxy S23 during Flipkart's Big Billion Day Sale. Now if you want to buy this device again, there is a great offer. Flipkart's Big Diwali Sale will start tonight at midnight. So in this sale, you can buy this smartphone under rupees 38,000 rupees. Why people are trying to buy this smartphone? Actually, this smartphone has some unique features. The first thing about this phone is the form factor. It comes with 6.1-inch Full HD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2x display, and the display quality is top-notch. The display is top-notch. The multimedia consumption on this smartphone is excellent. You can enjoy HDR content on YouTube, Netflix, and many more OTT platforms. Plus it comes with stereo speakers, so you will have a great audio and visual experience. The phone runs on Android 14 along with One UI, and the One UI is the best UI in the Android world. The display has 120 Hz of refresh rate, so you will thoroughly enjoy scrolling through the apps, and multitasking will be very good as it comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. The phone packs a 3900 mAh battery, so the battery life will be average. You cannot expect much battery life. Coming to the cameras, it has 50 megapixel main sensor, 10 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and 12 megapixel telephoto lens, and at the front you will get 12 megapixel sensor for selfies. The phone can shoot up to 4K 60 fps videos, and the image quality and also the videography on this smartphone will be excellent. You can get iPhone levels of videography. Out of the box, the phone runs on One UI 6.1 and Android version 14 along with Google system update 1st January 2024. On first boot up, you will get 106.7 GB free space out of 128 GB of internal storage, and there will be 4 GB RAM available out of 8 GB RAM. In the display department, you will get the typical Samsung functionalities like adaptive refresh rate, vivid screen mode, natural screen mode. You can set the screen temperature according to your preference. So during Flipkart's Diwali sale, this device will be available at 37,999 rupees for the 128 GB version. Question arises, who should buy this S23 during the sale? Actually, if you want to buy a compact device with good sets of cameras at the back and front, and also a very good display with regular software updates, and you can manage the battery life, in that case you can buy Samsung Galaxy S23. But I would suggest you to go for the 256 GB version, because 28 GB of internal storage in 2024 is very minimum. So you should buy at least the 256 GB version. What's your thoughts regarding this smartphone? Do you want to buy this smartphone during Diwali sale? Let me know in the comment sections below. And if you have any questions regarding this smartphone, feel free to ask me. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.